This is Adnan Ahmed, another exciting day, a third day and third video. We have 10 videos and 10 days to complete this course. So one is a subject and verb agreement. This topic you will see in almost in all English testing system, a subject and a verb agreement. We have a number of rules, but today we are discussing only 10 rules of subject and verb, 12 rules of subject and verb agreement. So rule number 1, we have indefinite pronouns as subjects. If you find each, every, someone, something, everything, everyone, they all are singular, right? Everything, though we have almost all the things, but we consider them as a singular. So everyone, no one, anything, anyone, they all are a singular subject. So we have singular verb until unless we have few, several, or both, many, or all. यहाँ पे आपने plural verb use करना है. But if you find everyone in this word is working hard. So everyone we have is, not are. So everyone is a singular. Rule number 1 we have. So everything in this word is temporary. So everything is also singular. So if you find these subjects which are mentioned here, rule number 1. So means they all are singular subjects. This one is point number 1. Some students they commit mistake, they make mistake. And this topic or in this situation, I mean they all are singular subjects. Someone, something, everyone, everything, or nothing, no one, they all are singular, right? Number second rule number 2, collective noun. Collective noun can be singular as well as plural. It depends upon the structures of the sentence. Collective noun means a group, jury, crowd, a team, may be singular as may be a plural form. Such a jury has awarded prize among participants. So here we have singular sense, right? A kind of team. Now, jury members were divided in their views. So here it is used as a plural form. So if we discuss the sense of the sentence, a jury next is their views. Their views definitely we are discussing them individual, and that is not singular. So a collective noun may be singular and may be plural. By the sense of the sentence or by the structures of sentence you can understand. So in number second sentence we have were and then their, T-H-E-I-R. So that's a indication that that is not singular. Right? यहाँ पे आपने इसको find out करना है. Rule number 2. Rule number 3 is we have subject neither nor or either or. Right? और यहाँ पे subject जो सबसे close होएगा. So we have two subjects. The last वाला subjects होता है उसको हम consider करते हैं. Sentence number 1 is neither the director nor the actors are following the lines closely. So one subject is director. Number second we have actors. The last subject होगा उसको आपने follow करना है. So actors यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. So actors is not singular, plural form. That is why we are using are. इसको हम change कर देते हैं. Neither the actors nor the director. So we have two subjects. One is actors. Number second we have directors. So last subject director is singular. तो यहाँ पे singular verb use करेंगे. Clear this point? Point number 3 is so we have subject neither nor either or. In this situation we have two subjects. So सबसे last subject होता है उसके verb को आपने देखना होगा. Rule number 3 we have discussed, and then rule number 4. Part 1, 3 part 1 or part 2 you can discuss. The subject. If we have singular subject, उसके बाद as well as आ जाए, along with आ जाए, और with use करेंगे. So जो subject है वो singular ही रहता है. The politicians along with the newsman is expected shortly. A politician is singular है. Directly after subject we have along with as well as. और उसके बाद न्यूज़मैन भी लिखा हुआ है. सो सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे पॉलिटिशियन है, राइट, एंड दैट इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे इज यूज करेंगे. आपने न्यूज़मैन को नहीं देखना है, राइट. सो दैट इज विद लिंक है, वो फ्रेज के साथ सब्जेक्ट के साथ लिंक है. पर एक्चुअल सब्जेक्ट इज द पॉलिटिशियन. सेकेंड, एक्साइटमेंट एज वेल एज नर्वसनेस इज द कॉज ऑफ आवर शेकिंग. वन साइड एक्साइटमेंट सिंगुलर और एज वेल एज यूज कर दिया. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, एज वेल एज यूज करते हैं सब्जेक्ट के बाद, और अलोंग विद यूज करते हैं और बाय यूज करते हैं, तो सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर ही काउंट होता है. इज द कैप्टन अलोंग विद हिज प्लेयर्स इज सपोज्ड टू प्ले well in the final game. A captain along with his players. सो सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, व्हाई बिकॉज आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट अलोंग विद यूज करने हैं आप, तो वर्ब जो सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज करना है आपने, तो यहाँ पे यूज किया हुआ आपने इज यूज किया था. सो दैट इज रूल नंबर 4. वी हैव if we have subject in the mid of the sentence, those structure they start from there is, there are, there was, there were, or interrogative, right? So inverted subjects, so there's a fly in my soup, so a fly is singular subject, right? यहाँ पे flies हैं, तो यहाँ पे is use करेंगे. There are 4 flies in my soup, so यहाँ पे जो 4 flies हैं that is subject है. So we have some structures subject are used in the mid of the sentence. Start में हम use नहीं करते इसको. So there structure में use कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. और we have there were 25 students in the class. 25 students is not singular. 25 plural form. Then we have a were. Right one. Second is how are your cousins are feeling now after COVID-19? Your cousins subject and then we have are. Right one. So this one is rule number 4 we have. We are moving forward to rule number 5. Titles of singular entities. We have certain books, organizations जिसके लास्ट में s और es आता है, दो they are plural form, उनकी entity singular होती है, recognition one होती है उनकी, यूज कर सकते हैं. Gulliver Travels, यहाँ पे Gulliver Travels तो लिखा हुआ है s है, but it is the name of the book. दो इस बुक के 4 चैप्टर वो हैं, 4 अलग से बुक्स हैं इसकी, और but that is singular, right one? सिंगुलर कंसिडर करते हैं इसको. सच इस इस्लामिक बुक में जो बुखारी शरीफ है 7 जिल्द हैं उसकी, बट एंटिटी 1 कहलाती है. सो गुलिवर ट्रैवल्स इज अ सिंगुलर एंटिटी. सो वेदर वी हैव एस उसमें लिखा हुआ है, सो वाज यूज करेंगे सिंगुलर. यूनाइटेड नेशंस, यूनाइटेड नेशंस की बात करें, नेशन नहीं बोल रहे हैं, वी हैव एस. इफ यू थिंक दैट नॉट सिंगुलर but the entity is 1. We are discussing 1 department, 1 institution, 1 organization. 1 organization आप डिस्कस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, तो सिंगुलर आइडेंटिटी है इसकी. Grapes of the Wrath takes a long time to read. This is also name of the book है, and whether we have S or ES उसकी काफ़ी जल्दी हो सकती हैं, और but the entity recognition is 1. So rule number 5 we were discussing. Rule number 6 we have. Rule number 6 is we have certain nouns जिसके लास्ट में S और ES होता है, but in fact they are singular. We have certain nouns जिसके लास्ट में S और ES है, but we consider them as a singular. One is news, though we have the S at the end, but news is singular. News is आएगा. Mathematics is singular, right one? So mathematics, though we have S, but that is singular, name of subject. We have the series between Pakistan and South Africa. It's quite interesting. Series is singular, though we have ES, but that is singular. And apart from these examples, we have a number of other examples. Physics or diabetes, more we have. Rule number 7 is plural form subjects. So those subjects are those noun they are in pair. जो भी noun pair में होते हैं, वो singular use नहीं करते उसे, हम यूज करते हैं प्लूरल यूज करते हैं. सीजर्स होंगी तो सीजर नहीं बोलेंगे, सीजर से कहेंगे. इयररिंग्स है, इयररिंग्स कहेंगे. ग्लासेस बोलेंगे आप, राइट. और नेक्स्ट इज शूज कहेंगे, ग्लव्स कहेंगे, पैड्स कह सकते हैं, एंड मोर एग्जांपल्स वी हैव. सो सीजर्स आर, नॉट सीजर इज. ट्राउजर्स वर, राइट, नॉट ट्राउजर वाज. सो ट्राउजर्स they are in pair. We have exception case if you are using a pair of scissors. अब ये singular है. Why? Because we are discussing one pair. A pair is singular. But if you are discussing scissors, trousers, glasses, shoes, pants, they are not singular. इसको plural form ही use करते हैं. Second is subject. My favorite topic is a subject, maybe a phrase. So my favorite topic is poems. ये जो poems लिखा हुआ ये object है. Whether object is singular or plural form है. We will see the subject. आपने subject को देखना है. और subject यहाँ पे क्या, my favorite topic is singular, तो यहाँ पे is use करेंगे. Poems by Longfellow. Poem by Longfellow is subject है. And subject is not singular. It's a plural subject. तो यहाँ पे हम are use करते हैं. Rule number 9 we have one of, right? We have different structures. He is one of my best friends. It is one of the best universities in the world. So जब भी one of use करते हैं, that is singular. One of my best friends. So I have many friends. One of them. So I'm discussing only one person. So one of them is singular. So is use करते हैं यहाँ पर. Alright, one of my best friends. अच्छा यहाँ पे best friends use किया हुआ है, ज़्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं. अब उसमें use करते हैं one of my. So we are discussing जो best friends हैं उनमें से one की बात की जा रही है. So we are discussing singular subject. तो verb भी singular आएगा. Is a, has a, was a, वो use कर सकते हैं. Is use किया. So he is one of those people who likes. So likes से यहाँ पे like नहीं है. Reason is we are discussing one person, he. So those people means maybe 50, 60, 70, 100 people. So we are discussing one of them. Right? We are discussing singular. Rule number 10, we have a number of usage. The number of and a number of. We have two kinds of subject. अगर लिखा होता है the number of और a number of, both are different. The number of volunteers grows. The number of मतलब singular की बात कर रहे हैं आप. And a number of means you are discussing a plural form. जब भी लिखा होगा a number of, तो हम plural की बात कर रहे हैं. The number of या the number of. अब यहाँ पे singular की बात करेंगे. याद रहेगा पॉइंट ये. The number of volunteers grows आएगा यहाँ पर. रीजन क्या है? The number of लिखा हुआ है और लिखा होगा a number of volunteers. अब ये singular नहीं है, as a plural subject हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे grow यूज करेंगे, grows नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर. Point number 11, we have certain subjects that are in the form of phrases और clauses के form में हो सकते हैं. Subject काफी lengthy भी हो सकता है. So we will see the main idea or the key word in that subject. A theory of physics ascertains. A theory of physics a singular subject. Why? Because we are discussing a theory. So subject यहाँ पे singular है, verb भी आपने singular use किया हुआ है. A virus in all the company's computers. So that is a phrase लिखा हुआ है, but in phrase the one word that is a key word is singular. So we are discussing virus की बात कर रहे हैं, ये singular use किया हुआ है. तो is use करते हैं यहाँ पे. The causes of that prevalent diseases. So the causes लिखा हुआ है, that is not singular. Cause लिखा होता है, that is singular subject, singular verb use करते हैं. But causes of this means we are discussing plural form. और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है, तो यहाँ पे जो वर्ब भी आपका वो सिंगुलर नहीं आ सकता, आर यूज करने यहाँ पर. द कोच एंड चेयर, आई गॉट एट द स्टॉक लुक. द कोच एंड चेयर वी हैव टू सब्जेक्ट्स, राइट. सेकंड इज द नंबर ऑफ. वी हैव डिस्कस द नंबर ऑफ, अ नंबर ऑफ, द नंबर, सॉरी, द मेंबर्स ऑफ, राइट. दैट इज मिस्टेकिंग. द मेंबर्स ऑफ चेयर आर. The members is not singular, definitely we have plural form. Rule number 12, the loss is sum of the voters. Sum of the voters we are discussing plural form subject. It is not singular, तो यहाँ पे हमने R use किया हुआ है. A large percentage of the order population. A large percentage order population singular subject है यहाँ पर. Is use करेंगे यहाँ पर. And then we have more examples. You can see the all are more examples, right one. So we have practice session or question 1 is mentioned. Carlos is the only one of those students. यहाँ पे has use करते हैं या have आएगा. यहाँ पे लिखा one of लिखा हुआ है, जो आपने रूल डिस्कस किए थे उनमें से. तो we are discussing singular subject, तो यहाँ पे has use कर देंगे. नंबर सेकंड सेंटेंस, इंटरनेशनल क्लब इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. उसके बाद जो एज लेस लिखा है जो भी है सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, तो यहाँ पे नीड्स आ जाएगा, राइट. ऑप्शन 2 भी है. वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. One of my best friends is singular, as we have discussed. My friends and one of my best friends, both are different. अगर लिखा होता my friends तो plural होता. One of my best friends singular, तो is use करेंगे इसके अंदर. And next we have these are your assignments. ये आपने खुद लिखने हैं और ऑप्शन देने कमेंट बॉक्स में आपने मेंशन करना है. और I will reply within time, right one. Those rules we have discussed. ये जो exercise है आपको उसी रूल में से आपको दी गई है. So these all are practice for you. Do this one and I'm waiting for this. Your answer means whether we have 5 or 6 sentences or 5 or 6 questions we have. So complete at the moment, complete and answer, write down in the comment box. It was video 3rd. Be connected with me. Video 4th. 4th day and 4th video we will discuss. Right one. If you miss one video, you will lose your concentration or attention. Thank you for watching this video.